The first time I can remember wanting to be a teacher, I was in 8th grade. It was in history, and I realized that we did a lot of presentations in this class. I really liked being able to stand up and share information and not just be the one learning the information. Every time I moved on, my desire to teach at that level went with it. So then I got to high school and I was like, oh no, I want to teach high school. Then I got to college and I decided, no, I'd really like to be a college professor. So I went to grad school. And in grad school, I taught while also doing my research. And that's when I realized that as much as I liked doing my research, the teaching was really what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to spend all day in the classroom with students. So I circled back around and here I am in 8th grade again. I think it's really important for teachers to have patience and a sense of empathy and humility, and remembering that a lot of students' behavior at this point is really not about you as the teacher. It's about all the things they're going through in their lives, and remembering that they're people too, and you're there to help them and guide them and help them learn, but also to be their support. As much as I love teaching, I also consider myself the eternal student. If I could just go to school forever, that would be my dream job, and that's basically what I get to do as a teacher. I learn just as much from my students as they learn from me, I think. One thing that I really hope my students have learned is the importance of their voice. Whether they have been in my journalism class and they're doing things like making podcasts and telling their own stories, or whether they are sharing their views about characters and books that we're reading in English, I want them to leave knowing that their voice matters. And also the importance of recognizing that other people's voices matter too, and knowing that they need to listen and try to understand other people just as much as they want to be understood themselves.